Kotlin tutorials for Android certification series. Today we're going to be working on image capture and picking images from gallery. So this is my actual phone right here. If you click on capture button, it will show you, well, let me turn this way. So that's me right now. If I click make a picture, click OK, it will set my picture there in the app. Or if I click on gallery, it will show pictures from your gallery. Let's say I click on my cat will set there, or if you click again, something else will be set there. Okay, so let's get started. Start new project, empty activity, my image app is the name. Let's wait until it stops. Okay, it's loaded. Ready to go. Let's delete hello world, get image view over here, and I see launcher as a default picture first. Let's give it 300 dp by 300 dp size, and I'll click here so I can see the UI. Let me see, system UI, how it looks like. Okay, so let's connect it to over here, give it some constraints, a little bit space. All we need just two buttons, 1 and 2. This one will ID will be button, and text will be capture. This one will be gallery. I'm gonna just click here to constrain it automatically. Okay, so this side is XML side is done. Let's go to main activity, and here we're gonna find first button. So this one has ID of button. This one has or let's let's just call it capture button. Capture btn, and this one will be gallery btn. Okay, cool. So let's go to main activity, and on create here we're gonna say first button was the capture button dot set on click listener, and here we're gonna say var intent. Intent equals intent, and here we have to say media. All right, media store dot action image capture. This one, the first one. So next line, the only line we need is start activity for result, because it's not just starting activity, but we need result. We need to pick picture and waiting for result, where we're gonna say intent, we just created, and we need request code. Let's say 1, 2, 3. What request code is, you'll see in a second. So we have two buttons, right? One of them to capture, one of them to pick from gallery, and so this thing request code will differ, those two buttons. Let's do second one was gallery button dot set on click listener. Here we're going to say val intent equals intent, where we're gonna say intent dot action pick. Oops, no, we don't need this. Intent dot action pick. What type of intent? We're gonna say intent type equals quotation marks image slash star. Where is the star? Star, here we go. One more line we need is once again start activity for result, where we're gonna say intent again that we just created, but request code will be, let's call it 456. And so as I said, this request code will be different from this one, so the app knows which one is which. Okay, one thing we need to do is right before the last curly brackets, we need to create onActivity result override function. Let's start typing onActivity, this one here, onActivity result, where we're gonna say if request code equals 1, 2, 3, the one on top to capture, then var bmp equals data extras get data as bitmap. And here it's complaining because, oh, first we need to import that because we need to put question marks here. So that's it for the capture one. We're gonna say for the second button, else if request code equals 456, then what happens then? We can actually, oh yeah, you know what we forgot here? One line to set the image into the app. Image view is the ID of that image we will have. Set image bitmap, this one, and here we're going to say BMP, this one right here that we just created. And so here we for the second button we're saying else if request code 456. We can copy this and paste there, or will work, or we can say even like this, image view set image URI data. All right, let's run it. Unlock my phone and run it. So this is my phone. So click on capture. Once again, all right. So that's me. And then if I click on gallery, I can pick my cat again, or some other pictures. All right, one thing to notice, so this is just, I showed you functionality of it. If you work on Relay app, you have to go to manifest and put permissions. I'm not gonna touch on it because it works without it. Yeah, thank you. Like and subscribe, please.